So,
pretty close to the 200.
Mr. Todd Hummel,
As it is,
Yes.
where's your ball? It's in the cart.
in your cart,
In my cart.
what hole?
For fun.
Unbelievable.
That's Zabalski was there to hear it.
Hit right into you guys?
In the cart. And he dropped it illegally.
Did he call 4 at least?
No.
No?
All we heard was the chinging of the ball inside the cart.
Did it upset you? Did it?
No.
Were you
That was
enraged?
kind of shocking because I thought it was my radio. But he didn't hit my radio, so we're good.
Did he?
He didn't do
Thwart?
anything.
He didn't thwart you from having a wonderful round today.
He
Oh,
just smiled.
he didn't even smile.
He just
Tails.
smiled.
How'd you make out in your big match with Shane today? Did you kick Shane's ass today?
No, we tied.
You tied? Ah, that's boring. Like,
shot 28?
38, 37.
wow.
Boring.
What did you shoot today? 38?
Was there anything spectacular out there today?
Besides the Todd Hummel golf ball, no.
What about Eddie the Eagle? What did he
Todd
do
Hummel's
today?
golf ball.
Eddie the Eagle put up a big number on number 1.
14.
Hit a 14 on number
On
one?
What did you shoot today? 50 something?
48.
And beat Mix.
You shot
14 on number 1.
you shot 48 with a 14. Now that's noteworthy.
Followed that 14 up with a surefire birdie, number 2.
No, he went 14-3-3.
14-3.
Now that's gathering yourself like a bunch of underwear. Yes.
No, we have a solid foursome. The 4 of us are pretty much.
Myself 51 today. Very ugly. I won't even grace myself on the video this week.
So Hummel shot 33,
Yeah,
but played an illegal ball because it was in the cart.
I believe there will be a full investigation.
I think there should be.
I think we should.
33,
See with you guys on
took
Saturday.
the ball out of the cart, dropped it, and played it. And he probably birdied 4.
I wonder if he's a folder or a buncher though.
And he has my golf towel.
Would you know that?
I don't know.
Myself, I'm a folder.
I'm not a fool.
You're a buncher? You bunch the
Throw it in.
toilet paper,
Throw
throw it
it
right
in.
in?